Okay guys, so we're back at it again. We're gonna hit another park. Oh, I asked Aislinn if she wanted to do a video and then she threw her headphones on. You wanna talk to the people?
Hi people.
Say it again.
Hi people.
You're cute. So I just sent Cammy into the gas station with gas money and I didn't want to take out bills, so I gave her a bunch of $50 that I got. And I said, if they look at you funny and they don't know what they are, they're 50 cents a piece. I gave her like $5.50 pieces. So I'm surely the person knows what 50-cent pieces are, but some people don't know a lot about change, so we'll see what happens. I should have gave him a dollar coin. That would have really threw him off. I have an Ike dollar that I've been wanting to just get rid of. So nobody's wearing masks going into the gas station. I wonder how people feel about that. You guys should tell me how you feel about wearing masks in public. In public places. Blah, can't talk. Okay guys, I'm just rambling, so I'll see you on the first dig. Bye! Did I say anything weird?
No. Tim's the guy that's in there.
Yeah.
I graduated with him and he said, he goes,
Mommy.
and I said there's $5 there and he goes, yeah.
Mommy.
What?
I need blue juice.
Well, too late.
You got
You got other juice. But no, he finally was just like, no, I can take them off your hands for you though. And I was like, I appreciate that.
Yeah.
So I handed him the rest of them and he goes, all right, there you go, $2.50. I was like, I knew you were my close friend when we were in school.
Okay, so here we are. We finally made it. Not a very big park for a playground, but there's a soccer field over there, playground equipment, basketball. There's a small bathroom right here. Looks like a bunch of tennis courts, so there could possibly be some good stuff here. I'll let you know what I find. Say hi.
Hi.
What did we find?
A quarter.
Nope, that's a nickel. Close though. First coin. Well, now it's raining, so I already got drenched, but now it's coming down like crazy, so I found a penny, some kind of bracelet thing. I don't know what it is, maybe a necklace, nickel. Went around the basketball court. I'm going to try to make it to that soccer field, but gotta wait this rain out. I got this little tot lot here and some gravel there. Maybe over those bleachers. But the fam's in the car. They ran for cover. I stayed out in the rain. Okay. Okay, so the rain went away for now. I got this high tone screaming at me. Right there. Another quarter. Oh. Quarter. And a dime in the same hole. Cool. I'll let you know if I find anything else. Okay guys, I got something good. Thought it was going to be a quarter, but way down deep. Oh wow, whoa. Whoa, what is that? Pocket watch? If I get it clean, this dirt is so sandy. It's like all sand. And the bugs are now wanting to come out and play. Oh my god, bugs. Ugh. Okay. I'll clean this up and give you guys there's something in there, or I don't know. Okay, back to the hunt.